Hello guys, how are you? Now we proceed of Venn diagram of set, complement set of Venn diagram. If we have U set A1, 2, 3 to 10, A 2, 4, 6, 8, B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when will the set of A complement? What will be B complement? A complement union B complement. A complement intersection B complement, A union B whole complement, A intersection B whole complement, A complement union B, A complement intersection B, A union B complement, and A intersection B complement. We show the Venn diagram of all set A complement. This diagram show A complement. As we know, A complement contain all the member of U all the member of U except A set shaded part shaded area show A complement. Similarly, B complement shaded area show B complement. And look at this figure. This figure contain A complement, B complement, A complement union B complement, A complement intersection B complement. This figure all these set. This figure show all these set. Carefully look at this figure. Here just like in this direction shaded area show A complement. In this direction shaded area show B complement. And the boxes area or net area around the A and B set, boxes area or net area show A complement intersection B complement. As we know, intersection set contain common member of A complement and B complement. The common area of A complement and B complement is net area. Common area is net area. Net area is common area of A complement and B complement. And A complement union B complement. Union set contain all the member of common and uncommon. All member of A and B exit in the union set. So these all shade net area and in this direction area A set and B set shaded area, single shade or double shaded area, all the shaded area. And these three type of shaded area contain A complement union B complement, because in union set uncommon member and common member in this direction and anti this direction, against this direction uncommon member, and boxes area common member. So common member and uncommon member, common area and uncommon area contain A complement union B complement. Here a part is that blank part. This is the common part of A and B and U. Here we see 2 and 4. 2 and 4 include in A, include in B and U. 2 and 4 include A, B and U. So common member 2 and 4 in A, B and U, and common common part A, B and U. This is the common part A, B and U is not exit in A complement is not exit in B complement, A complement intersection B complement not in A complement union B complement, but exit A complement union B. In this direction, shaded area show A complement, but not accept A set, but not common part, uncommon part of A, accept uncommon part of A, just like in this direction show A complement, and just like in A complement include the set of B, and just like this A union B complement, B complement shaded part show B complement include the whole set of A. A complement union B include B set, and A union B complement include A set, and uncommon part of A complement is not exit in A complement union B, and uncommon part of B complement is not exit A union B complement. Look at this figure. Look at this figure, A union B whole complement. This figure show A union B whole complement, shaded area show A union B, and blank area A union B whole complement. Similarly, A complement A intersection B, shaded area A intersection B, and A intersection B whole complement, the blank area show A intersection B whole complement.